Today I'm having a luxury safari glamping experience. I'm going to be staying at Leadwood Safari Camp in the Dinokeng Game Reserve in South Africa. My plan is to document my stay here. I'll show you the room. A bed test. Wood fire hot tub. Awesome, I know. Game drives, food.
Yeah, that's sizzle. Or cooking ASMR.
And everything else Leadwood Safari Camp has to offer. Let's go! Welcome to my room at Leadwood Safari Camp. Before I show you guys around the room, let me tell you some information about this place. Leadwood Safari Camp is located in the heart of the Dinokeng Game Reserve. It is just a 60-minute drive from Joburg and it offers a unique one-of-a-kind glamping experience. This eco tent was designed to highlight the natural elements of the African wilderness while also enjoying the comforts and luxuries of the glamping experience. If you want to stay the night, there are different tents to choose from during your stay. You can either stay at the main camp, which is perfect for families, small groups, or even the solo traveler like myself, because there are 4 tents that each can accommodate up to 2 adults and 2 children. Or you can stay at the recently added camplet, which is a private single tent camp that is perfect for a couple to stay in for a romantic weekend getaway. If you want to come stay at either one of these camps in the future, I'll leave a link to their website down in the description below. But without further ado, let's get into the tour. You'll arrive at the gates of the Dinokeng Game Reserve, drive on the tar road for about 10 minutes, take a right onto the sand road and go for another 5 minutes, and then eventually you'll see a sign to Leadwood Safari Camp. After that, you'll drive past another cool hanging sign, and then finally you'll arrive at the entrance. You'll be welcomed with a delicious drink. It was actually really good, as you can see from my reaction here. And then you'll be taken to your room. You'll follow the rock path which makes its way around the entrance of the tent. You'll then make your way inside.
Wow, this is very cool.
The zip may give you a little bit of issues, but don't worry, just put in a little bit of effort and it'll go. This is a 5x5 bell tent that has everything you need for a peaceful retreat into nature. Surely we have to test out the bed first, and you know exactly what I'm about to do next. A bed test. This is way better than that thin, small mattress that you usually have when you go camping. This is a full-on, comfortable, king-size bed that has high-quality white linen with bee pillows on the bed. There's also a shower towel in the middle of the bed. On both sides of the bed, there are these mats that you can use for when you come into the room and you want to take off your shoes. On top of the bed, you'll see that there's a pole that leads up to a hanging light that you can use when it gets dark at night. In front of the bed, you'll see that there is a table that you can use to place your stuff. It's currently holding this bowl with a list of what you can do at Leadwood Safaris. There's a lot of information in there. On the side of the room, there is a swimming towel that you can use for either the jacuzzi and the pool, which I'll show you later. There's also a dustbin and a table with a fire extinguisher in case something goes wrong. You better hope you don't need to use that. One last cool thing about this room is that there is no solid foundation under this tent. It is basically the grounds that you have an authentic camping experience in luxury. So this is everything in the tent. Let's go see what else this camp has to offer. This fire pit and braai area is the first thing you'll notice when you make your way outside the tent. There is firewood, a place to make the fire in this pot. There is a braai to make some lacquer food, and there is the stool that I'm sitting on where you can enjoy the fire. Moving on, this is a really cool kitchen. It is basically outside except for this metal structure that is built around it. There's also these awnings that come down on the side in case you want some shade as well and some privacy. Then there is this wooden table with these 2 camping chairs, which are really comfortable, I must say. There is a fridge, dustbin. Inside the fridge, there is actually welcome biscuits that look delicious. They look like they're chocolate chips, so thank you for that. And this beautiful wooden cabinet that has everything you need to make a quality meal. On top, there is a stove with a kettle. There is tea, salt, pepper, and sugar. There is all types of cutlery. There is a sink to clean the cutlery and plates that you use, and there is a place on the side to dry them. Inside this cabinet, there is... What is inside? There is everything else that you need. There are plates, pans, pots, glasses, mugs, boards, a grater, which is great. That is everything that this kitchen has to offer. It is really cool. I'll be back here later to make some supper and sit and enjoy a meal here. Let's go see what's next. Over here there is a wood fire jacuzzi, which means that you put the wood in, light it, and it heats up this water. Awesome, I know. This jacuzzi is premium. It is such a unique experience being surrounded by all of this bush around me. After that, I'm probably gonna want a shower. So speaking of a shower, let's go check out the bathroom. This bathroom has been carefully designed to provide both a sense of privacy and unobstructed views of the bush. With a spacious shower, like just look how much space I have in here. A locally sourced stone basin, a toilet. This is a really nice bathroom. I'm gonna have a shower here later for sure. So that is everything that makes up my room here at Leadwood Safari Camp. It is really cool. I'm excited to stay the night, but there's still more to show you. So let's go see what else Leadwood Safari Camp has to offer. This is the communal area. It is a tent that has a kitchen. Wait, are you hungry? Can I make you anything? I've literally got everything I need to make you something. A table with benches to sit at to enjoy your meal. And on the side, there are more comfortable chairs with a table and some board games that you can play. Anyone keen for a game of 30 seconds? Do you want to be teammates? Next to that, there is a boma area. Yeah, this is a nice spot. You can enjoy the fire while someone's making the bra, and you can enjoy hopefully a lion walking past on the outside of the fence, not inside. On the other side of the tent, there's the pool. Oh, the water is really nice. I am so tempted to jump in here right now. I don't think I'm going to. Maybe a quick spritz. Better. Definitely helped. And right next to the pool, there is this area where you can sit in the shade. Oh, thought I was about to fall. You can sit here and enjoy the shade while the kids play in the pool. I don't know why I used kids as an example. I don't have any kids, as far as I know. That is everything the property of Leadwood Safari Camp has to offer. I'm now going to make my way back to my campsite, which is my room, but it's basically a private campsite, so I'm going to stick with that. I'm going to go see what the night has to offer, so I will see you back at the campsite. The sun has just gone down, so I've just been sitting by the fire enjoying a classic African sunset. I think it's around 7 p.m. now, so it's time to make supper. So let's do a segment called Cooking with Brad. Let's go. Okay, what are we starting with? I got chicken. That's pretty much frozen still. And I've got some couscous that I'm going to make now. So couscous and chicken strips. Seems pretty good to me. Let's get into it. Okay, so because the chicken strips are still frozen and there's no microwave, I thought, let me use this pan and try defrost them a bit, get them a little bit hot. Let's hope we don't mess them up. Shit, I need to light this. So confused. While the chicken strips are still pretty frozen, so I'm thinking I'm going to put a bit of them on a stove and try to defrost them. But my question is, how does the stove work? I'm out here by myself and I'm still asking Mom for some help. Listen, I prefer not setting this place on fire, so let's make sure. Better safe than sorry, you know? Okay, let's give this a go. Listen, I hope these lions or animals don't come smell the chicken I'm making and come visit. It's not for you. Gotta boil the water for the couscous. Doing pretty good so far. Mid cooking interval. Yeah, that sizzle. Little cooking ASMR. This is actually one of the few solo travel experiences that I've had, and I'll be honest, it's pretty cool, but somewhat it would be nice to have someone to talk to. I'm lucky I have you guys to talk to, have a conversation with, so thank you for being here. I appreciate it. Some company would be nice, you know? I feel like I'm speaking more to the camera now because there's nothing else to do, really. Oh my word, that is looking golden. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, I think I'm about to outdo myself, I'll be honest. Jesus, what was that maneuver? Must have threw my food off. My mom always tells me, don't forget to fork the couscous. I'll see you when the food is made. I've been watching a lot of Harry Potter recently, so what's his magic trick? Avada Kedavra! See that magic? I should go to Hogwarts. Gryffindor all day long. So yeah, that's what the food's looking like. I know it's not the prettiest, but it's sure gonna taste good. I'll tell you that. It does. A little bit cold, but it's good. I'm gonna enjoy this meal. So I will see you guys in the morning, bright and early, at 5:30 a.m. for a game drive. Good night. Good morning. It's 5 a.m. and I'm about to go on a game drive. So let's go. just got back to the lodge after the game drive and I really enjoyed it. We didn't see so many animals, but I really did enjoy it. My highlight was definitely the lions, but unfortunately, that is the end of my trip at Leadwood Safari Camp. What I want to start doing at the end of these videos is talking about my takeaways of each place. So my takeaways from Leadwood Safari was that it's very clean. The bed was amazing, high quality linen and so comfortable. The staff is so friendly and helpful. I really appreciate that. Good staff goes a really long way. Thank you, Leadwood Safari. I really enjoyed it. If you want to come stay, I highly recommend that you should. There is a link down in the description that you can go click on to come book your stay. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next one. I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers. Hello. Holy shit. There's a spider's web over there that is the scariest looking spider I've ever seen. Let's try keep that out of the tent tonight. The fence is right there, so I mean, a lion could go right there if they wanted to. I mean, I hope they want to. Let's just hope they stay that side of the fence and I stay this side of the tent, because there'll be a bit of an issue. I was just dreaming there. Hell yeah, man. I gotta come back and get this camera in this heat. It's not that easy. A place to put the